Here in this video, we are solving a problem that appeared in NEET 2022 in physics, that's particularly in AC, alternate current. It says the peak voltage of AC source is equal to what? So first of all, we shall understand how it happens actually. AC or alternate current is a kind of a current that first thing that we need to understand is varies with time. It's not a flat current like a direct current, but it's varies with respect to time. So if you remember, like any kind of a graph that you draw, that how does the graph current varies with respect to time. If you take I on y axis and time on x axis, it will be moving like a wave, sine wave, something like that, right? So here is somewhere it reaches its maximum, that's called something like peak current. Respectively, there will be some voltage called peak voltage, peak EMF or peak voltage, right? But one thing that you need to understand is these peak values, peak current is shown with something like I naught, peak voltage is something like I naught. They are not consistent, they will keep on varying with respect to time. So what do we do in alternate current is, we take the average of all these things in a mathematical way called something like a RMS value. So what is an RMS value is, the name itself tells you, it's a root mean square value. It means there are different currents, say I1, I2, I3 and so on with respect to time. We will square them. Say there are n. We will take a mean of that by writing the number, and we take a square root. We take a square root out of that, all of that. That's called something like a root mean square. It's an advanced way of statistical way of using the data, like we make averages. It's another way of doing a kind of an average, so that we get an exact value that represents the kind of a function. That's called something like RMS. IRMS is this much. Similarly, we can write VRMS is also the same. Root of V1 square plus V2 square and so on by n, assuming like the n number of the times. And it is found that the relation between them is VRMS equal to V0 by root 2. That can be calculated and it is found that way. Here V0 is the peak, that implies V peak or I peak in the other way equal to root 2 times of VRMS. So the peak voltage is root 2 times of the RMS voltage. This is root 2 times of the RMS value of the AC source is the correct answer for the question asked. So it's a simple question, conceptual question. I'm just telling you the concept involved so that you can understand it. Thank you for watching.